Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of a single page in Microsoft Word. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word application on your laptop or PC. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Shapes and then choose the rectangle shape. Now, draw the rectangle to cover the entire page where you want to change the background color. Once the rectangle is in place, go to the Format tab. Click on Shape Outline and select No Outline. This will remove the border around the rectangle. Next, click on Shape Fill and pick the color you want for your page background. Finally, click on Wrap Text and select Behind Text. This sends the rectangle behind your text, effectively changing the background color of that single page. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of a single page in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.